Hey friends! Ready to explore the amazing plants around us today? Look around. What green wonders do you spot near your home or school? Plants are living things that start tiny, from small seeds to big trees. They need air, water, sunlight, and soil to thrive and grow strong. Trees, flowers, grass, and bushes are all part of the plant family. Let's peek at a plant's parts and what each does to help it grow. Roots keep the plant steady underground, holding it tight in the soil. The stem is like the plant's backbone, lifting it up to reach the sun. Leaves are the plant's chefs, they whip up food using sunlight. Flowers are special, they create fruits and seeds for new life. Each part works like a team, helping plants grow tall and healthy. Did you know? Plants give us oxygen, that's the air we breathe. They also give us yummy food, like fruits and vegetables to munch on. And don't forget, plants provide shade and wood for many things. Without plants, life would be pretty tough on Earth, right? Look! A mango tree grows juicy mangoes just for us to enjoy. A rose plant gives lovely flowers that brighten any day. Grass covers the ground like a green carpet, keeping it soft and cool. So many plants surround you every day. Aren't they amazing? Can you name a plant near your home? Share it with us. See you soon.